Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance OCO. First, navigate to the trading interface on Binance and select the OCO option. This feature allows you to place two orders simultaneously, a limit order and a stop limit order. Understanding how these orders interact is crucial for effective risk management. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can set up your OCO orders with confidence. To place your OCO order, begin by entering your desired take-profit price. This is where your limit order will execute. Next, define your stop price, which triggers the stop limit order, and then your stop limit price. Finally, input the total quantity of the asset you want to trade. Double-check all your values before confirming to ensure accuracy and prevent errors. Once your OCO order is placed, you can monitor its status in the Open Orders section of your Binance account. Here, you'll see both components of your OCO order. If market conditions change, you have the flexibility to modify or cancel the entire OCO order before either part is triggered. Remember, if one order partially fills, the other will be automatically canceled. Using OCO orders on Binance offers significant advantages, allowing you to automate your trading strategy and manage risk effectively. They are an excellent way to protect your capital from sudden market downturns, while simultaneously securing profits when your target price is reached. This method provides peace of mind, knowing your trades are managed even when you're not actively watching the market. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.